as even Russia's most capable SAM system has no effective defense against Ukraine's HIMARS strikes. Systems like the Buk and even the newer, more capable version like the M2 and M3 can't defend against GMLRS rockets, resulting in the best defense is to hide them. But as Ukraine's surveillance seem to often get unnoticed by Russia's SAM system as well, they themselves become easier targets, as Ukraine's drone can scoop out this system without much problem and sending back coordinates for their hiding spots, letting the GMLRS rocket to do the rest, as rockets hit the systems, igniting interception missile on top indicates good hits and help destroy the system even more, causing 2 more of Russia's Buk system to get destroyed, leaving 2 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.